In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a page in half in Microsoft Word. If you want to place content side by side on the same page, one of the easiest ways to do it in Word is by using a simple table. This method is great for creating two separate writing areas, and it gives you much more control over spacing and alignment than trying to do it manually. To get started, open your Word document and go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. From there, click on Table and create a table with 2 columns and 1 row. In other words, you want a 2x1 table. As soon as you insert it, Word will place the table across your page, and that will give you 2 side-by-side sections to work with. Once the table is inserted, the next step is to change its style so it looks clean and simple. Click anywhere inside the table so the table tools appear. Then go to the Table Design tab. In the Table Styles, choose the option called Plain Table 4. This gives the table a basic appearance and is a good starting point for a clean, split-page layout. After that, go to the Layout tab under the Table Tools. In this section, look for AutoFit. Click on it, and then select Fixed Column Width. This is an important step because it keeps the 2 columns stable instead of automatically resizing while you type. That way, each half of the page stays consistent and easier to format. At this point, your page is now split into 2 halves, and you can begin typing on both sides of the page. Just click inside the left column to type on the left half, or click inside the right column to type on the right half. This is especially useful if you're creating comparison notes, side-by-side content, simple handouts, or any layout where you want 2 separate sections on one page. As a helpful tip, if the table lines are visible and you do not want them to show in your final document, remember that what you are seeing may just be the table structure while editing. The main setup is already complete, and the page will function as 2 separate writing spaces. That's how to split a page in half in Microsoft Word using a 2-column table. Once you've set it up, it becomes a quick and reliable way to organize content neatly on a single page.